आजकल इंसान पैसा ऐशो आराम को तरसे। अपनी तो एक ही ख्वाहिश है कि मेरे जनाजे पे फूलों के साथ तेरी कुछ बूंदे भी बरसे। In October 2014, my expedition to Karnataka in South India, my objective was to visit many hidden waterfalls, forts, mountains. Hebbe Falls near Kemenagundi was on the top of the chart, as I had missed it last time on my family visit to Kemenagundi. But this time I had made up my mind that I will visit this falls at any cost, so went straight ahead to the entry gate of the Forest Bhadra Reserve. The officials at the forest gate weren't ready to allow me or give me permission as I was alone, but I urged them that I've driven this bullet right from Bombay, and since it's late, they can allow me on bullet. The forest officer told me that Hebbe Falls is at a distance of 8 kilometers from the gate and much of it is descending, that is downhill. So obviously while coming back it's going to be very late. Finally I convinced him and he was ready to accompany me to Hebbe Falls, and off we started on the bullet. Initial 2-3 kilometers were very gradual descent and on a flat path, very beautiful scenarios, but ultimately after 2 to 3 kilometers it was very steep descent and rocky path. I realized soon that I had made a hasty and a wrong decision to visit this falls on bullet, because this is completely dense jungle with hardly any humans in sight. So it's going to be very difficult. If any issue happens with the bullet, I am going to be in big trouble. Hebbe Fall lies deep in the Bhadra Tiger Reserve and the roads were pretty bad. These 8 kilometers seemed like it's going to be 80 kilometers, and I was just wishing that to reach the falls as soon as possible. Sorry guys, I don't have any footage of the bad roads as I was completely focused to drive on the road. The forest officer was very humble and he was very kind-hearted man. He always supported me, so I never felt alone. I had a good company, I knew. So I enjoyed the jungle and soon I got a sight of the first falls.
Zoom.
This is the first step of Hebbe Falls. What is the name?
Hebbe Falls.
Hebbe Falls. First step, na?
First step.
What we saw was the first step of Hebbe Falls, but to reach there was impossible according to the forest officer. But the falls seemed now pretty near and I was hoping to reach there as soon as possible. And soon our journey, our destination was reached. From here, we had to trek a distance of 15 to 20 minutes to reach the falls in a leech infested area inside dense jungle, crossing several streams. But it gave us great pleasure to walk here as the atmosphere was good, there was no rainfalls. We enjoyed the trek, the greenery around. I followed my forest officer, but I didn't click much pics because I was very much excited to see the falls first. And soon after a few minutes I saw the first glimpse of the falls, and lo, it mesmerized me. I was totally glued to the falls. I had never seen such a gigantic size of waterfall so closely in all my life. These are the magnificent Hebbe Falls. Now it was like just me and the falls. Slowly I went closer and closer to the falls. It was like I was sitting in an amphitheater surrounded by Dolby Digital surround systems. The forest officer warned me not to venture much close as it's going to be very slippery and risky. But nothing was to stop me, and finally I had a fall on a slippery patch. Then I decided to go back. But with every feet back I clicked 1,000 pics of this gigantic beauty. The magnificent Hebbe Falls. These are the magnificent Hebbe Falls. I was bitten by few leeches, but that was not the point to worry, as leeches are common in rainforest areas. Main issue was return to the forest gate. With some apprehension in mind, I started return journey, and negotiating first few ascents on the first gear, I noticed smoke coming out near the battery. I immediately switched off the bullet and poured water on the burning battery area. My fear had finally come true. Bullet is like a half four-wheeler, impossible to drag on mountain slopes. Also it was getting darker and the forest officer warned me that we have to get back ASAP as this is Tiger Reserve. Hearing this, alarm bell started ringing, and in a rush, I tried contacting my bullet serviceman on my mobile, but it was hopeless as I had no network. The forest officer offered his mobile, and with luck, I was able to contact my serviceman. He told me to remove the battery cover to avoid short circuit and start the bullet. I kicked, and the bullet responded with his normal thump. I was glad and returned back to the forest gate with many photographic memories of the beautiful Bhadra Forest Reserve and Habe Falls. I suggest everybody to visit these falls post monsoon, that is in the month of October, because this is the best time where you'll get ample amount of greenery and the flow of the waterfalls will also be safe. Immediately went to the local serviceman and got the issue of battery cover resolved, and soon was off to my next adventure. Thanks.